Black swan. The black swan, scientifically known as Cygnus atratus, is a striking waterfowl species native to Australia and New Zealand. It is known for its unique and elegant appearance, characterized by entirely black feathers with white flight feathers. The bill is bright red with a pale bar and tip, and legs and feet are grayish-black. When swimming, black swans hold their necks arched or erect and often carry their feathers or wings raised in an aggressive display. Black swans inhabit a variety of aquatic habitats, including lakes, rivers, and ponds. They are often seen in both freshwater and brackish water environments. Black swans are monogamous and form long-lasting pair bonds. They build large nests made from reeds and other vegetation near the water's edge. The female lays eggs in the nest, and both parents take turns incubating them. The black swan feeds in a similar manner to other swans. They are herbivorous, and while there is some regional and seasonal variation, the diet is generally dominated by aquatic and marshland plants. When feeding in shallow water, it will dip its head and neck under the water, and it is able to keep its head flat against the bottom while keeping its body horizontal.